In this video, I am going to explain basic overview of diencephalon and brainstem. I'm going to explain diencephalon first. So, where is diencephalon? It's above brainstem and it's below corpus callosum and it's very, very deep place of brain. Let's talk about this one. This is thalamus. Thalamus takes many sensory information and it projects fibers to various places of brain. Okay, thalamus here. Posterior to thalamus, this is pineal body. Pineal body. It's on midline of brain. Pineal body secretes melatonin. Melatonin is related to sleeping. Okay. Pineal body. Let's go to front part. This part is thalamus. Below thalamus, there is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. And if you go inferior view, there should be pituitary gland here. This model didn't make pituitary gland, but imagine this is pituitary gland. Let's go to this light green color. This is mammillary body. Mammillary body. Let's divide diencephalon and you see the sagittal section. Okay, this part is thalamus. Pineal body. This part is hypothalamus. There should be pituitary gland. And this light green color is mammillary body. Okay, I will put brain model again. This is it. And what is this one? This is optic chiasm. Optic nerve comes from eyeball and it crosses here. This place is optic chiasm. And it changes name. This is optic tract. And it goes to part of thalamus, which is lateral geniculate body. Optic nerve, optic chiasm, optic tract, then lateral geniculate body of thalamus. Okay, let's review diencephalon. Thalamus, pineal gland, hypothalamus, and pituitary gland. Mammillary body, optic chiasm, optic tract. Now let's move on to brainstem. This part is midbrain. This is superior colliculus, inferior colliculus. Superior colliculus has something to do with vision. Inferior colliculus has something to do with listening. Okay, and let's go to front part. You see these wrinkles? This represents cerebral peduncle. Cerebral peduncle. Cortical spinal tract runs in front of midbrain. Okay? Cerebral spinal tract. Superior colliculus and inferior colliculus. These white fibers are cranial nerves. I uploaded another video about cranial nerves, so please check that out. So I'm not going to go too much detail about cranial nerves in this video. This is cranial nerve 3, oculomotor nerve. This is trochlear nerve. 2 cranial nerves are from midbrain. Now let's go to pons. This is pons, very wide structure. It's below midbrain. Okay, this is pons. There are 4 cranial nerves emerge from pons. Number 5, trigeminal nerve. Number 6, abducens nerve. 7, facial nerve. 8, vestibulocochlear nerve. Okay, 4 cranial nerves emerge from pons. This hole is where fourth ventricle is. Fourth ventricle is here, and posterior to pons there is cerebellum. Cerebellum. Okay, pons. 4 cranial nerves emerge, and fourth ventricle. Then cerebellum is here. Let's move on to medulla oblongata. This is the most inferior part of brainstem. There are 4 cranial nerves emerge from medulla, okay? Number 9, glossopharyngeal nerve. Number 10, vagus nerve. 11, accessory nerve. 12, hypoglossal nerve. This pink structure is inferior olive nucleus. Inferior olive nucleus that has motor function. And there are many pathways in medulla oblongata. If I have to say one thing, remember corticospinal tract travels here, and at level of medulla that crosses about here. So this is left hemisphere, left corticospinal tract crosses here, right one crosses to the left. About 70 to 80% of fibers cross at level of medulla. Okay, other 20 or 30% crosses at level of spine. Okay, corticospinal tract crosses at level of medulla. Understanding diencephalon and brainstem are very important because they have so many important structures. So if you liked today's video, please hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next video.